Imagine a home that feels like the perfect getaway, yet it's all yours every day.
Nestled at the end of a serene cul-de-sac in the prestigious Montebello Oaks neighborhood, this luxurious single-story retreat has it all. Elegance, tranquility, and just that touch of magic.
As you approach, this scene unfolds like a postcard. Majestic palm trees swaying in the breeze, an inviting Pebble Tec pool with a gentle beach entry, and a tranquil waterfall cascading like nature's soundtrack. Whether it's a lazy Sunday by the pool or a vibrant summer party under the stars, the backyard oasis sets the tone for countless unforgettable moments. Imagine unwinding in your wraparound covered patio as the world slows down just for you, with panoramic views of the rolling eastern hills and nearby vineyards. It's like nature decided to paint a masterpiece just for this home.
Morning coffee, sunset cocktails, or stargazing.
Or my favorite, Paso Robles wine.
This patio makes every moment feel like something out of a dream.
Step through the grand front door and you're greeted by an open concept layout that's warm and welcoming as it is sophisticated.
It's a space that whispers, come on in and stay a while. Yet it's versatile enough to host everything from cozy family nights to elaborate holiday gatherings. The centerpiece of this home is the gourmet kitchen, and oh, what a kitchen it is. The granite countertops gleam under the light, while the double ovens stand ready for your culinary adventures, whether it's a Thanksgiving turkey or a batch of late night brownies.
And that sunlit breakfast nook, it is the perfect spot to sit down for Saturday morning pancakes, with sunlight pouring in like grade A maple syrup and making everything feel warm and inviting.
From the elegant, formal dining room to the cozy great room with its inviting gas fireplace, this home knows how to cater to every mood. Hosting a dinner party? The dining room saying, let's get fancy. Prefer a movie night with popcorn? The great room's fireplace and comfy seating is whispering, let's snuggle up.
Each bedroom in this home feels like its own sanctuary, offering privacy and comfort for everyone. The guest suite provides a welcoming retreat at the south wing of the home, perfect for making visitors feel like they're right at home. And the primary suite? It's a haven of relaxation, complete with dual sinks, walk-in closets, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom where you can soak away the day's stress or enjoy a rejuvenating shower. It's the kind of space that makes mornings feel just a little more indulgent.
Now, step outside and the magic continues. The expansive backyard features a lush lawn that's just asking for a game of catch or an impromptu picnic. The Pebble Tec pool shimmers under the sun, while the breathtaking views of the eastern hills and vineyards provide a backdrop that could end up on a wine label.
Now pour your glass of Paso Robles' finest and give a toast to the good life, because it's here. Every day feels like a celebration.
And this home is as functional as it is fabulous. RV parking? Check. An oversized 3-car garage? Absolutely. Indoor laundry room? Of course. It's like the home read your mind and said, don't worry, I've got it covered. This property is like your favorite pair of shoes. Stylish, comfortable, and perfect for every occasion. It's the kind of place where you'll make lifelong memories, whether it's hosting your first pool party or enjoying a quiet night on the patio, watching the stars.
And hey, don't just dream about it, make it yours. Schedule your private tour today and take the first step towards living your best life here at 1634 Christina Court. After all, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary?